Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 3 months of Shopify for only $1. Okay, and the first 3 days actually is completely free as well. So if you come and you start a free trial with Shopify itself, they're going to give you only 1 month for $1. Okay, and 3 days free. But I'm going to show you with my link in the description, guys. This is affiliate link, so you're helping me. So what you want to do is you want to go to the description. I have put a link. This link, when you redirect to this link, what's going to happen is basically you're going to get, 3 months. Okay, 3 months of Shopify for only $1 a month, and the first 3 days is actually free. Right? You don't even need to put a credit card, guys. You just enter your email, and you just agree to receiving marketing emails from Shopify. So 3 days free, and then $1 a month. Okay, for 3 whole months. That guys, that's 90 days. So what you want to do is just enter your email. I'm gonna enter it right here, at gmail.com. So you enter your email, and then it's gonna just ask you to sign up just the normal way. You enter your name, and basically, guys, you can set up your store as well. There's no need of any credit cards as well, guys. Just click the link in the description, guys, on my channel, and you can actually access 3 months for only $1. So if this video helps, guys, I would appreciate a like. And if you're enjoying using the trial so far, you can comment up below and let us know if it actually worked out for you. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Appier.